Tired of lag ruining your GeForce Now gaming sessions? Let's fix that with Exitlag. First, head over to exitlag.com and download the software. They usually have a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. Once downloaded, run the installer. It's a pretty straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Now, open Exitlag and in the search bar, type in the game you're playing on GeForce Now. For example, let's say we're playing Fortnite. Select the game, and then choose the best server region. Usually, the one closest to you will give you the lowest ping. Experiment to find what works best. Hit the Optimize button. This will route your game traffic through Exitlag servers for a smoother connection. Now launch GeForce Now, and start your game as usual. Exitlag will be running in the background, optimizing your connection. You should notice a significant reduction in lag and a more stable connection. Remember, every game and every internet connection is different, so play around with the Exitlag settings to find the perfect setup for you. Good luck, and happy gaming.